Hey dolls and gem, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm your girl Simply Amazing. Over in this channel, these related stuff with tips and tricks that we do in series coming soon. So if that is something you're interested in, please subscribe to my notification bell so you don't notified every time I upload. And when that's not video. Okay guys, quick disclaimer. If you guys see me talking funny or I sound funny, it's because my gum is swollen and I have to get my videos out because it's either you go hard or you go, so bear with me. But anyways guys, today I'm going to talk about 5 things or even more you must have. Like, you don't want it to face look good, so yeah, there's just 5 things you must have, and I did a compilation where I asked different makeup artists and different people who are, you know, always doing makeup and such. What are 5 things they can do? I have my favorites and I asked other. I have my favorite and I asked other. So the first thing I'd say is primer. You can never go wrong. Well, the first thing I'd say is a primer. No, when I just started doing makeup, and so for those like primer with somebody and I need primer, all of them something about girl, it actually does set a tone for your makeup. It set the base for your foundation, not the base, because you can't have pores in your skin big like that. You just use a nice pore erasing primer. The first thing, the must have need in your makeup collection is your primer. Any primer, you can use a matte color. This is the City Color Forever Flawless Primer. You can use a matte primer. This is also a matte primer. You can use a pore eraser. You can use a dewy primer. Whatever it is, always need to prime the skin. I'd say it's your concealer. You can use the LA Girl concealer. You can use the Milani. You can use the Elf. There are so many brands out there you can use. You can use a matte concealer or you can use a dewy concealer. It's really your choice, but girl, you can never go wrong with a concealer. When you can get away without using a foundation, all you get some concealer for add extra coverage on your eyes. When you have those bags, you have dark spots and your dark circles, and you just conceal it and forget it. Simple as that. So the next best thing, the next must have that you need is your concealer. And the third thing on my list is powder. Like you'll be saying like want to foundation. Like, foundation is not a must. Foundation is something you definitely can get away without using. But if you're going to use powders and concealer or whatever, you definitely need a primer. Girl, it's a must. You definitely need a primer. So the next thing I say, powder. No. Powder, you can use a mineral powder. This is the Milani mineral powder. And you have the Milani, what was this? The Milani press powder. No, this is I guess at the top so you guys can see the fancy the packaging. This one, yeah, this was my holy grail. Like, girl, I could have gone nowhere without makeup face, but I didn't tell them I just like get into makeup, never know for foundation and concealer and this I go nowhere without my powder. But and this is more full coverage. So if it's a case where you want something more natural, something more subtle, you can go in with the Milani mineral press powder. If you want something more full coverage and glam, you can go with just the Milani simple mineral, the Milani press powder. And you have the black opal loose powder. You can use that too. You can use there are many brands out there, so it's just really your preference. The fourth thing I'd say you need is your mascara. No, not everybody wear lashes, because you know you have people out there that wear glasses and most people wear glasses doesn't wear lashes. So you just need a nice mascara. No, one of the best mascara out there is the Maybelline is it Maybelline? The Maybelline Falls is, girl, how when your lashes them look toops, little bits. You know, when your lashes are really short, that was miracle. You have the CoverGirl, you have the they have the Born This Way Better Than Sex mascara. You have, there's so many brands out there, but if you don't wear lashes and you wear glasses, you don't need bars. You put on your mascara and you and fifth thing I see is a lip gloss. No, you don't necessarily have to be lip gloss. If you're a matte girl like me, you know you can wear a matte, but you know you're gonna want your lip balm for hydrate your skin and them somewhere. Yes. You don't must have to be lip gloss, but you know on the safer side, you just have a clear lip gloss. Yeah, so those are the 5 must-have products you need. Even though you still can't have the little foundation, you know. That the foundation will be additional. You have your foundation, your concealer, your primer, your powder, and all that stuff. If you're a person who you don't know to highlight and contour, or you don't reach that level yet, you still use a 1 shade pressed powder. Use a 1 shade pressed powder, it can get the job done either way. And you know you need a little brow pen to fill in your brows, include my brows and my eye. You use a little brow pen to fill in your brows. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy these little sit down talk to videos or talk through videos, let me know down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, because I noticed that most people who are subscribed to the channel doesn't have the notification bell turned on. Follow me on Twitter, and yeah, with that out of the way, this is the end of today's video. Short and simple and spicy. And you know.